Okay, I'm gonna. Ana, I need something to hold. Gaga, ako na ako magyanan. We are hiking Waimano. What is it officially called?
Waimano.
What falls? Waimano. But anyhow, we just started and we're already lost.
Yeah, we can go there. Yeah, let her do her vlog then.
Anyway.
No, jump.
No.
You're after 1, 2, and then. That one looks cool, the middle one. I wanna go over there.
Oh, yeah.
Oh my damn sis. Bitch, you got me fucked up.
I'm so excited.
Yeah. The waterfall is a little dry, but whatever. I'm so sick of her. About this body. Damn, sis, there's a lot of people here to book. We are just about done with the hike. I'm super tired. I sweat so easily, you guys. I don't get it. Yeah, this is the end of the hike. Selfie pag may time.
Now that we're done. Oh my god. Free shower.
Frick, my shower was my sweat.
I know you're thinking I'm heartless.
Starting route to 94.
About to go home now. What up? So, anyways, as you can see, people, I showered.
No, that's just her sweat.
Whatever. Anyways, I'm fresh and clean after that hike. We are heading to where are we going? Lucky Pig.
Piggy Small.
Oh right. What is that other one called? Lucky Belly.
Lucky Belly.
Okay. We're going to Piggy Smalls and we're about to eat, which is good because all I had today was a banana. I'm serious. I had a banana and then coffee for breakfast. And then I had a fruit snack. Girl.
Hey guys, say hello. I would like to vlog. So, my name's Aloha. As you all know. Aloha means goodbye. Aloha means now she's driving. But I'm gonna make a YouTube channel too someday. So, like this video if you want to see my video. Wow, check this.
That's an amazing observation. I would have never known.
I wouldn't have gotten that. Saan tayo punta? We're gonna eat because we're really hungry. Are you vlogging right now?
Yes, I
So
am.
we're going to Piggy Small.
All right.
This was chosen by both my mom.
By this one. Show yourself.
She's very social. She wants.
Look at them wearing fancy slippers and I'm like, bubble.
Yeah, but look, I don't know how to walk.
It's all good.
Yeah, we'll take one. So then you're both okay. I'll bring out one more spoon too.
I got Siagon iced coffee and then Butterbeer, no alcohol. She got alcohol though. The fuck?
Bigger than my head. This is my head. This is the pot. This is my head. This is the pot.
Oh my god.
What about you, Aloha?
Look at it. Calamansi. Is that egg? Yeah, that's calamansi. Vegan pot?
Yes. I'm trying something new today.
Yum.
Vegan. For being vegan.
Look how big those are. My food's not here yet.
I want one. I need to borrow. I don't want to buy it. I look at yours.
We're going to Nordstrom Rack. We're gonna waddle around.
Also, I'd like to rate the place we ate.
Okay, go ahead.
I think the best part was the Butterbeer because you don't have to go to Universal Studios for this shit no more. It's in Hawaii, bitch.
True.
Who made this? You know what? Why do you have to tie it? Can't you just tie it in the front and like, here, put it on, put it on. First of all, Steve Madden. What time for it?
What you gotta say, girl?
Say what you gotta say to Steve Madden. To Uncle Steve.
What is that? What color? Brown? Will that match my blue dress? No. Never mind.
Really, Janella? Blue?
It's a holiday party, Aloha.
Yeah, but it doesn't mean you have to wear clashing colors.
No, how did you walk? This is so high. I cannot. I'm gonna.
It's not that high.
Not that high.
It's actually cute.
I like it. I feel like that one suits you better than that one.
How much? Oh, it's only $25. I don't know that. Who told you that?
Michelle Phan. Long time ago. We buddies.
Wow. Did you go? Are you going to her wedding?
Oh, I didn't know that she was getting married.
I thought you were buddies.
Well, I thought we were buddies too. Apparently not.
How come people don't tell you anything these days?
I know. So rude.
Oh, that's cute. It's only $20.
Really?
Get your line. I don't like the thing though.
Just try it.
Oh my god, you guys.
So, I'm in Mila's channel again. They're shopping for shoes. She's shopping for shoes. But I'm just chilling and leaving nasty comments. I'm the fashion police. I'll think about it. Mila in her own habitat.
I gaga. Is this office appropriate?
Yeah, I've seen worse.
I think. Yeah, I like it.
Thumbs up for office appropriate.
Is this good for walking around when I'm doing my?
Yeah, you can try run.
I can't.
Just try, cause you need to know how fast. That's not even running.
Awkward moment when the elevator is bigger than your room.
So we're at Moly right now, and we've been in Hawaii for like 4 years, and we never realized it, and only now we came here. So we're pretty shocked because they have all the things that, you know, like the store in Hong Kong and stuff, and it's pretty big. Oh, go ahead. It's a video. So this is a peeling lotion, and it peels off dead skin, dirty skin.
Dirty skin. Dead skin.
Wow.
She nasty before.
And it's this one.
I like it.
And she said this one's good.
I love it.
So yeah, if you're around the Honolulu area, go to the Moly, the original store, and don't go to Sephora because there's more stuff here than Sephora.
Oh my gosh, you guys, there's a mask.
Oh, this is neat. This is neat.
What is the difference between these two though?
Ask her.
This one? Oh,
The
this
goat,
one.
the goat
Okay.
milk.
But it's pretty much the same, like what it does. Yeah, but that one's the most popular. This one. Oh, okay.
Oh look, this one smells like coffee. Can you
I
see?
kind of want it. I really want it. Gusto ko nito. I'm taking it.
And this thing is cute.
Ako marami akong magasa dito.
This is soap. Oh, it's not
Guys,
focusing.
I'm gonna try this for
But
my
it's
kids.
egg.
Good for you.
So mean. Get out.
Get out of here.
I'm gonna make a video tonight. My first YouTube video. Oh no, there you go.
I really want to buy stuff because I don't know when the next time I'm gonna be.
We'll come here next week.
Are you sure?
Yeah, I wanna go again. Come yeah. Sass.
Yeah.
We were supposed to go to Tea Presso. Are we still going?
Wow, she's
What?
feeling generous today.
Treat mo? Yeah. Oh my god, guys.
Size small lang ah.
Oh my god.
Ikaw mag-drive?
Ow! Oh my god, she's making me drive. Can I drive? Can I drive the way I drive?
Drive the way you drive.
What, sitting down?
Drive.
Excited.
Drive.
I'm so excited.
So excited.
I really
I
had
don't know
no
why.
idea we had a Tony Moly here because the first time I ever heard of Tony Moly was from this YouTuber named Michelle D. She's a Filipino, and I was
So
like,
now we're at Tea Presso. Time for some boba. She got money from her honey. So this place, if you are in Hawaii, there's one in town. They're kind of everywhere, but they show the toppings, I guess, that you can get.
Really good tea.
And they kind of look gross, but they're not gross. They're really good. These are just the samples. Hoy, bata! I have an idea. So we got this from Tony Moly. It's a sample, but we don't know what it's for. I forgot what the lady said. If you guys know what this is, can you guys comment down below? Tell us how to use it. Tell us how to use it, because we have no idea. So I got a regular I got a regular tea presso milk tea. She got the winter melon and she got the matcha latte. But yeah, if you're around Honolulu area, right across from Walmart in town, by Alamoana. Oh, why is it zooming? Oops.
My now she's vlogging us because she forgot it in my car.
Yeah.
This is your car?
So I got my cousins
mom,
to take
my
me.
dad.
Social ako, di ba?
Grabe siya. You didn't even drive. No, I know.
I know.
But she's serving me. She put me on the
Yeah, because my car was
serving
blocked.
me. So every first and third Sunday of the month.
Hi guys! So today I'm gonna be doing a haul video. Yes it is. Me and my friends, we actually hung out today and we went to the bank because I needed to withdraw money. But the funny thing is, like, I actually saw a Tony Moly store right next door and I was like, I had no idea we had a Tony Moly. So obviously I dragged my friends inside. I bought some stuff. And if you don't know what Tony Moly is, honestly I didn't know what Tony Moly was until I was introduced. Well, I wasn't introduced, but I found out about that from this YouTuber named Michelle D here on YouTube. And so I went inside and I found a lot of stuff that I actually like, but I controlled myself. I only got a few things. First thing I picked up was this 3-step nose mask. I honestly don't know how to do this because it's
it's in Korean. Okay, anyways. So it's 3 steps. It looks like this. I got 2 because I was gonna give 1 to my sister and then 1 for me. So that one was $2.98 each. So I spent $5.96 on those masks. And then the next thing that was super interesting to me was this. It's a brightening peeling gel by Floria. Looks like that. Anyways, as I was saying, I just put a little bit like this. It's like running down my fingers, but it's supposed to like peel off the dead skin. And I don't know if you can see that.
I'll put my Snapchat video right here.
Can you see that? I don't even know if you can tell. But there's like dead skin. But yeah, and then after you do that, you're supposed to like wash it off. This one was, how much was this? This was actually the most expensive thing I got. It was $14.98. But you know, I only used like that much, like that little tiny dot, and it got rid of so much dead skin. The next thing I got was, it's like a bundle of masks, and each one costs $1.78. I think it comes with 10 masks, and they're all different. This one is hyaluronic mask sheet, and it's hydrating. There's like this green one. I can't really show you because it's packaged, but yeah, looks like that. It was 20% off, so for this bundle I got it for $17.80. It says minus $3.56. I don't know if it's already minus in that price, but $17.80. It's a pretty good deal. And then I saw this thing that looks like a beauty blender, but not. It looks like this. It looks very similar to the beauty blender, but this one was only $5.98. I did feel it, and it's kind of hard. Like, it's not as bouncy as the original beauty blender, but I'll see how it's like when I get it wet. That's what she said. And then she gave me like free samples, and I don't know what this one is, but it's like Pokemon, but it feels like lotion inside. I don't know, we'll see. And then she also gave me this freebie. It's a lip tone get it tint, so it's supposed to tint your lips, I guess. Looks like that. And that's actually all I got.
Does this stress relief lotion work?
That's all I got.
Oh, and we also got some. Does it work, Mike?
And thanks for watching.
Does it work?
And Vaseline.
Does it work?
Bye.
Does it